From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the gold market. Gold fell during the trading session on Monday as we continue to see a lot of volatility in markets overall. Ultimately, I think this is a scenario where we will eventually find buyers, but we probably still have to probe the overall short-term support region that we sit just above. The 50-day EMA, of course, is a major feature of this support region, followed by the $2,000 level. I do think that there will be some type of reaction soon, but we'll have to wait and see how markets behave. After all, there are a lot of questions to ask about bond markets and interest rates, and those markets do have a major effect on the gold market. With that being the case, I think you've got a scenario where we continue to go back and forth, possibly more with a negative slant in the next couple of sessions, but I will not hesitate to put on a small position if we get closer to the $2,000 level and build that position to larger chunks along the way if we see a market that turns around. At that point, I think the $2,075 level is a barrier, and a daily close above there opens up the possibility of going to the $2,200 level. Underneath the $2,000 level, then you start to probe for support, and there are multiple areas underneath that could offer it. But right now, I suspect that we are in a situation where anything below there has a lot of people concerned. Keep an eye on the 10-year yield. If those yields start to rise in America, that will put downward pressure on gold, and of course vice versa. You can use the dollar as a bit of a proxy for that, but it is possible and has happened quite a bit in the past where both gold and the US dollar rally due to a safe haven trade.